Hey there, here's a super quick tutorial on how to change out the lenses in your Oakley Meta HSTN frame. What I'm going to be doing is basically pushing from the back of the frame forwards using a rolling motion in my hand with both of my thumbs. I'm going to hold that on the top and the bottom sides of the frame here and just roll through, and these lenses come out just nice and easily like that. Let me show you again just using the other lens here. I'm just rolling my two thumbs whilst holding securely with my fingers on the other side, and with a bit of force, there you go, not very much, but those lenses come out nice and easily. If you want to put your lenses back in, or if you're swapping to a different set of lenses, what you want to do is get them in at the corners here and just align them. And these frames, it's really nice and easy to align because of course you've got that flat edge on this side. So I'm just going to get these tucked in to this little corner here. So that stays in position with the bevel of the frame, and that's tucked in along that whole top side now. And what I'm going to do is essentially apply some pressure around this direction and down this direction at the same time, and we'll get that lens, there we go, clicked in nice and easily. Just show you that again with the other lens here. I'm going to get that in the corner here, and you can tell that that's not quite aligned because I need to rotate the lens slightly to make sure that it's in place in line with this straight line here. And then once I've got that top side in like that, ooh, that's just fallen out. Once I've got that top side in like that, there we go. I'm just going to apply a little bit of pressure down both sides until that clicks nice and securely into place.